You will not believe how I made this coxinha. It doesn't need dough and it's ready in minutes. Here, I'm going to start using the loaf of bread and I am going to remove all this crust from the side. Once that's done, now we just have to take this bread and let's add milk to the bowl and dip it. Let's squeeze it with both hands, removing the excess well. It's going to look like this, and now we just take it and we're going to fill it. Here, I'm going to use seasoned chicken, but it can be the filling of your choice. We're going to squeeze all this bread, we're going to squeeze it with the edge inward to get the shape of a drumstick. Okay guys, now let's move on to the breadcrumbs. Once that's done, just fry it in hot oil. As soon as it browns, just remove it and let it drain on a paper towel. Look how amazing this coxinha is. Super quick, easy, and delicious. Make it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you liked it. This was another recipe here from Pour in the Kitchen. That big hug. See you next time. And it was worth it.